Hello again, friends. Dan Alasso here, and I want to share a little bit more about this new web-based version of my entire Substack world, Making History and Lifelong Learners, that I am trying to put together now. And I've been sort of feverishly, I actually woke myself up in the middle of the night last night and worked for a couple of hours between midnight and 2:45 because I just had so many ideas kind of popping in my head. One of the things that I did that I'm excited about and I want to share today. Now, this is the thing, of course, as it currently exists, and it has gotten a little bit bigger, and you can kind of drill down in it and see what things connect to. There are a lot of these sort of topical areas that are not yet filled with content yet because they are possibly because they exist in my main private Obsidian vault and I haven't made a space for them here. And I haven't decided how much of that I'm going to bring over or how much I'm going to sort of reproduce. But in any case, they still form these connections between a lot of these different ideas. So you can kind of use them to see what is connected. But the other thing that I do want to share this morning is that I have taken my world history course, which I'm kind of developing and designing my own text for and my own curriculum for ancient and medieval world history this semester, and I have put it in here as well. Now, you may have noticed in Making History that I've linked each week to the videos that I'm making for my students, and so you may have watched some of those. What they are here is they are, once again, links to the content, which would be to kind of take and put side by side with the link to the actual web text, the vault that I'm using with my students, that you can also go and sort of read along with as you're watching the video. So I think that kind of creates an interesting multimedia opportunity. And because this thing is also HTML, you can use hypothesis with it. And so now I have groups of students who are looking at this. Actually, I started a little bit into the semester with them. So now here you'll see how they're annotating pages. But you can also do that on your own in public, and some people are doing that as well. Or you can make your own private group and just keep your own notes that will only be seen by you. And all of this is possible because this is a web-based thing. And so I hope people will find that valuable and useful. It's another of these things that I'm exploring as I am thinking about what I'm going to do with the content that I'm creating when I'm no longer in front of classes, because I am getting older and I'm not going to be teaching students in classrooms forever. But I don't see any reason why I shouldn't continue to make this type of information that I'm working on available out in the world. So this, I think, is a step along that path, and I hope people find it interesting and useful, and I'll have more updates, hopefully frequently, as I add more stuff to this vault. So thanks very much for watching. I will see you again very soon.